So Mike and I went up his daughter's today to do laundry, and look what came home with us. Our Christmas tree and all our Christmas decorations. Just gonna have to go through them and sort stuff out. I hand washed my Christmas cushions in the bathtub, and I don't have a dryer or a washer, so now they're just sitting there, and Pumpkin's like, "What's this? Pumpkin, what is it?" Oh, he's running away now. He's been here sniffing them for a while. They've been in storage for a while, so they're not moldy or anything, but they smelled a little musty from being in a tote for like 3 years. So anyway, they're ready to go. I'll let them dry. It's raining outside, or I'd hang them on the clothesline. So I'll just leave them here like this, and then if it's nicer out tomorrow, I'll hang them outside. What is it, Odie? Okay, guys, so last night I went through all of my Christmas decorations because we took them all home, and I narrowed it down. So these 3 totes right now are full of Christmas decorations, and there's the Christmas tree. And then I have cushions you guys seen, they're out there drying. This tote is stuff that I put away because I put out fall decorations. So I think that's going to be fall. I'll have enough room for fall and possibly Easter to put in there, because I put a few little things out for Easter for Kaylee. And then this tote right now is going to be empty after Christmas, because that tote is full of Christmas gifts. So that's my gift from one of my friends on here on YouTube. So that already arrived, so I just stuck that up there. But anyway, I know this is like clutter, but I have no storage unit, and this is a built-in dresser. So I have no room in my closets and stuff to put this, but I figured this is the best solution, because I mean, we only come in the bedroom to sleep anyway, right? So why not just stack it up there and use it there? So over here now I have a mess because my jewelry box was over on that dresser, and there was a couple things over there, so I just got to reorganize this a little bit. I do have this stand over here, so I'll make do and make that go. I just got out of the shower. I do have a towel wrapped around me, so I'm not standing here naked, don't worry. But yeah, I'm just going to go and get dressed now, and then I'll probably work on this little bit of a mess. I'm not really up to anything today because it's raining, so we'll just take the day as it goes, basically. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, it's been a totally tiring couple of days. We're just waiting for Kaylee now. We're going to look after her for about an hour, so. And I still didn't clean up the mess in my room. Mike and I were drinking hot chocolate and snuggling and watching TV, and that's about all we've been doing lately. Hey guys, Kaylee just went home. Oh my god, she was hyper tonight. I don't know why. There's nothing I hate more than clutter, but like I said, there's nowhere else to put that stuff. Oh, it's Cat TV, is it? Is this Cat TV? Anyway, I cleaned this up again, so I had to put a couple stuffed animals on top of my printer. I don't use it all that often anyway, so that's okay. And then I put my jewelry box over here, tested to make sure the fan was still working, and my perfumes and stuff down there. That's about as best as I'm going to do. Tomorrow we have to go to town. I have a few things that I have to do. Look at this cute Halloween shirt. Isn't it cute? So yeah, I have to walk to town because I have to go to the post office to mail out a couple of things. Just small things. But I gotta get my girls' packages out by I'm aiming for the end of October to get Christmas packages out. Not my Christmas cards, just packages. But I have a couple things like paperwork that has to be done for the government that has to be sent out, and just stuff like that. It's Mike's stuff for the government, not mine. But yeah, so I gotta get all that done tomorrow. Plus we have to go to Shoppers Drug Mart to get his medication. And what else do we? He already went to get the milk, so we don't need to go get milk. I got to see if there's anything that I need for the weekend for Thanksgiving, and we'll go to the grocery store to pick that up. That type of stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to all your friends. Everybody loves you. Mommy loves you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Anyway, I'm going to end this one here, I think. It's going to be a short one. I apologize, but hopefully I can get some stuff tomorrow. And then I'm hoping I can get a little bit of Thanksgiving. I'm going to cook my turkey on Saturday and then Sunday. Thanksgiving is technically Monday, but we celebrate on Sunday. So I'm going to cook the turkey on Saturday and have that ready. And like the juices and stuff strained and put aside for gravy. And then Sunday all I'll have to do is cook the vegetables and stuff. So, and the stuffing and all that stuff. I think I told you guys this. My brain's just like... lately, I don't know what I'm saying and what I'm not saying, but anyway, pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to end this one here. I'll try to vlog some more over the weekend and stuff. I have a couple of, like, beauty, I guess, related videos that I got to do. Project PM videos coming up, that's what it is. So, yeah, I'll try to get them done soon, too, so I can post them. Because I have people that watch specifically for that stuff, too. So, anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week so far. If you're in Canada, if I don't talk to you before then, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. And everybody else, have a great weekend. And whenever I post again, I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, everyone.